Namaste Usmanians and Namaste Usmanian family. I wish the 77th Republic Day to all of us. I salute the freedom fighters who have sacrificed their life for the nation. Because of their sacrifice, because of their dedication, because of their commitment, we are celebrating the festivals like this. So it's a proud moment for all of us. As a healthcare providers, we should be proud. So every time I will take one theme. This year, our life is connected with the 3 letters. That is B, C, D. These 3 letters is change either way of our life. The B is our birthday. So that is fixed, we know it. And the D also, which is already fixed, but we don't know. That's the death day. But the C is the choice of ourselves. If you want to happy, you can be happy. If you want to be unhappy, you can be unhappy. If you want to healthy, it is your choice. If you want to be unhealthy, it is your choice. If you want to be successful, it is your choice. If you want to be unsuccessful, it is your choice. So C is the choice. Those how many pages if you want to write, you can write between the B and D. ఆరోగ్యం అన్ని కాకపోవచ్చు, కానీ ఆరోగ్యం లేని నాడు ఎన్ని ఉన్నా అన్ని సున్నా. So that's why health and healthcare providers are not optional for the society. They are the essential for the society. So that's why we are here. In this, if you take head and spine, head is the doctors and the spine is the nursing staff and the paramedical staff. Like our tricolor beautiful flag, if you spend another 3 letters, so you will be recognized, you will be honored. That is S, S, H, H, S. What is H, H, S? Spend time. Unfortunately, 95% of our people, ourselves, we won't spend for these 3 letters. But if you spend at least 5 to 10%, 20%, 30% of these 3 letters, we will be recognized. What are those 3? Spend time for your health, spend time for your happiness, and spend time for your success. So these are the 3 mantras which will keep your head high. As I said, health, దేశం ముందుకు పోవాలన్నా, మనం ముందుకు పోవాలన్నా, మన కుటుంబం ముందుకు పోవాలన్నా ఆరోగ్యం అన్నది అతి ముఖ్యమైన ఆయుధం. సో ఆ ఆరోగ్యం అన్నది మన ఒంట్లో ఉండాలి, మన ఇంట్లో ఉండాలి, మన సమాజానికి మనం పంచాలి. ఆరోగ్యము సో మొట్టమొదటిగా చర్మ ఆరోగ్యం నుంచి శరీర ఆరోగ్యం, తర్వాత దేశ ఆరోగ్యానికి పెంపొందించాలి. సో ఎందుకంటే చర్మ ఆరోగ్యమే శారీరక ఆరోగ్యము, శారీరక ఆరోగ్యమే దేశ ఆరోగ్యం. అంటే అందరూ అనుకుంటారు చర్మం ఓన్లీ అందానికని, కానీ ఇట్ ఇస్ ద టిప్ ఆఫ్ ద ఐస్బర్గ్. సో మన శరీరానికి చర్మం అన్నది కవచకుండలం. సో దానికి మీద అవగాహన ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ పెంపొందించాలి. ఇంకొక హెచ్, హ్యాపీనెస్. హ్యాపీనెస్ అన్నది మనలో ఉండాలి, మన ఇంట్లో ఉండాలి, సమాజానికి మనం కొంచెం పంచాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఎవరైతే హ్యాపీగా ఉంటారో వాళ్ళు అనుకున్న సాధించడానికి అవకాశాలు ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి. తర్వాత సక్సెస్. సక్సెస్, దెర్ ఇస్ నో షార్ట్ కట్స్ ఫర్ సక్సెస్. It is a straight cut. Success is directly proportional to the work, your hard work and your continuous work. So our brain is, we know that many neurons, each neuron is equal to one computer. We have trillions of neurons. But ordinary people, they'll utilize only 5% of the brain. But extraordinary people even extraordinary, the scientists are the greatest scientists, they will utilize only 15% of the brain. So 85% of the brain which is waiting for the success of ourselves. అంటే మనకు you are not the competitors for others. We are the competitors for ourselves from today to tomorrow, tomorrow to day after tomorrow. We are not the competitor for anybody. So if you fight, if you work for yourself, then you can work for your family. You do something for the society. So with these 3 mantras, so at least this will be useful. So if you practice some of you, definitely it will give some motivation and which will help you in your future development. So thank you very much for this opportunity and long live Jai Hind.
Thank you, Professor, for your motivational words always. We respect your words and adore it. Now,